What's up, everyone? Today we're diving into the future of luxury electric cars, specifically what's coming in 2026. The next generation of ultra-premium EVs is redefining not just speed and range, but the entire ownership experience. These cars are high-tech, sustainable, and luxurious, blending performance with eco-conscious design in ways we've never seen before. It's not just about being green anymore, it's about integrating sustainability into the very DNA of luxury. Established brands and bold newcomers are pushing innovation at a breakneck pace. In this video, we'll count down the most anticipated luxury EVs of 2026, breaking down their specs, tech, and what makes each one a potential game-changer. From sci-fi interiors to mind-bending acceleration, the future of high-end automobiles is arriving fast. Let's get started. First up, the Porsche Taycan Turbo S. Already a benchmark, and for 2026, it's getting even sharper. Porsche's focus, relentless acceleration and true sports car dynamics, now with even quicker 0-60 times. The upgraded 800-volt charging system means you can top up from 10% to 80% in the time it takes to grab a coffee. Inside, Porsche is doubling down on sustainable luxury with expanded use of eco-suede, crafted from recycled ocean plastics, without sacrificing that signature premium feel. It's a subtle but powerful shift. Opulence meets responsibility. The new Taycan isn't just faster, it's smarter, more efficient, and more sustainable. Porsche proves that a luxury EV can thrill, pamper, and tread lightly on the planet. The 2026i by the Mike Shear and Do and Den Tarp Truden Turbo Wide Shield. And by Turbo S is a masterclass in refinement, still the driver's car of the luxury EV world. It's not just about speed, it's about a smarter, more thoughtful kind of performance. Porsche is setting the pace. And everyone else is playing catch-up. The Taycan remains the gold standard for those who want it all, and in 2026, it's only getting better. Now, let's head stateside. Cadillac's 2026 Optic V is shaking up the luxury crossover scene. This isn't just an electric Cadillac, it's a V-Series with a one-touch V mode that transforms it from smooth cruiser to performance beast. The real magic? An AI-driven suspension that predicts and adapts to the road ahead, delivering both comfort and sharp handling. Cadillac's design is bold and spacious with sweeping displays and premium materials, distinctly American, not an imitation. The Optic EV leverages Cadillac's performance heritage and packs in next-gen tech, making it a true contender. It's proof that American muscle can go electric, and look good doing it. The AI suspension keeps the ride composed, whether you're carving corners or cruising highways. Cadillac's unique approach stands out in a crowded field. The Optic V is a high-stakes entry, blending luxury, innovation, and performance in a way only Cadillac can. The future of American luxury? It's electric, and it's here. Next, the Jaguar XJ returns as a fully electric flagship aiming to lead the luxury sedan pack in 2026. Its standout tech is predictive performance, using GPS, traffic, and your driving habits to optimize handling and power in real time. The XJ EV delivers that signature Jaguar blend serene cruising with a surge of instant, effortless acceleration. Always-on 4G connectivity powers over-the-air updates, keeping your car smarter and more capable over time. Jaguar's focus is on seamless, intuitive tech that works in the background to enhance every drive. The new XJ isn't just a revival, it's a redefinition of what a British luxury sedan can be. Classic design cues meet cutting-edge intelligence. Jaguar is back, and the XJ EV is ready to set a new standard. It's a compelling, connected, and very British alternative in the ultra-premium EV market. Enter the Rolls-Royce Spectre, the ultimate expression of electric luxury. Rolls-Royce has embraced electrification to elevate its core values: silence, comfort, and effortless performance. The Spectre's 48-inch panoramic OLED display transforms the cabin into a digital masterpiece. The iconic Starlight headliner now extends to the doors and dashboard, creating a magical, immersive ambiance. Silent Mode, a Level 3 autonomous system, turns highway travel into a serene, hands-off experience. Suspension softens, noise fades, and you float in near-perfect silence. Rolls-Royce layers sound deadening and active noise cancellation for unmatched tranquility. The Spectre isn't chasing speed records, it's redefining what it means to travel in absolute comfort. Every detail, from the panoramic display to the celestial interior, is about elevating the journey. The Spectre proves that the future of ultimate luxury is electric, and more serene than ever. Rolls-Royce sets a new bar for opulence in the EV era. This is more than a car, it's a sanctuary on wheels. The Spectre is the future of luxury, reimagined. Mercedes 2026 EQS SUV is the S-Class of electric SUVs, family-friendly, ultra-luxurious, and packed with tech. The showstopper is the 56-inch MBX hyperscreen, turning the dashboard into an intelligent, intuitive command center. AI adaptive airmatic suspension reads the road in real time, delivering a cloud-like ride. Mercedes offers a fully vegan interior, high-quality, animal-free materials that look and feel truly premium. Even the floor mats are made from yarn spun from reclaimed ocean waste, a small but powerful symbol of sustainability. The EQS SUV is a holistic approach to luxury, comfort, space, and eco-consciousness in one package. Mercedes is redefining what a modern, full-size luxury electric SUV should be. Every detail from the hyperscreen to the recycled materials is about innovation and responsibility. The EQS SUV is a rolling showcase of Mercedes' best technology. This is luxury for the next generation. Meet NIO's 2026 ET7, a tech powerhouse aiming to leapfrog the competition. Inside, a massive 23-inch sky screen and NIO's animated AI assistant, Nomi, make the cabin feel like a digital living room. The ET7 is set to debut Level 4 urban autonomy in select cities, navigating complex streets with no driver input. Its 33-sensor suite, including advanced LiDAR, enables true hands-off city driving. NIO's game-changer, battery swap stations, pull in, swap your battery in 3 minutes, and go. This battery-as-a-service model lets you upgrade or swap batteries as tech evolves, future-proofing your car. NIO isn't just building cars, they're reimagining EV ownership and infrastructure. The ET7 is a bold challenger, packed with disruptive tech. It's a glimpse at a future where your car is a service, not just a product. NIO is changing the rules of the luxury EV game. Let's zoom in on a key material trend: recycled ocean plastics. Automakers now use plastics recovered from oceans and beaches, transforming them into high-quality yarn for luxury interiors. Porsche's Eco Suede, for example, is soft, durable, and indistinguishable from traditional materials. Yet, it's made from ocean waste. This process reduces energy and water use, making it a win for both luxury and the environment. Brands adopt these materials not as a compromise, but because they meet the highest standards. Eco Suede is a symbol of conscious luxury, beautiful, high-performing, and responsible. It's proof that sustainability and high-end design can go hand in hand. Expect to see a lot more of this in the years ahead.